Previously, I made a video on how to step-by-step replace your existing doorknob, and in that video, I did an unboxing of a brand new doorknob set that you may get. And in those sets, you often will have the latch already attached with the faceplate on it. But if your door has not been drilled to accommodate that faceplate, you might actually need to use the drive-in collar instead. So in this video, I'll be showing you how easy it is to switch between the two. But basically, you just need a flathead screwdriver to insert between the two plates here. There should be a little bit of a hole on either side. Notice right here in the corners. Simply insert the flathead screwdriver and pry open both ends of the plate so you separate the two. The first one on the outer side should slip off really easily like so, but then the other one you have to do a little bit of a turn so that it can come out. Notice the two little nubs on the side of the latch. You just need to rotate that plate so that it aligns with that so you can pull it straight out. At this point, take your drive-in collar and line it up with the retracting portion of the latch. Just push it straight through. You should hear a little bit of a click so that it's secure. And there's how you can change from the faceplate to the drive-in collar. And if you needed to switch it back, go from the drive-in collar to the faceplate, the drive-in collar, you just need to give it a sharp tug to remove it from the latch. Then reinsert the back plate, remember the one that has the cutout for the nubs, and then put on the front plate, snap the two pieces together, and you're back in business. So that's how you change between the drive collar and the faceplate style for the latch. If you're curious on how to step-by-step replace your doorknob, check out my video that I've already done on that.